Hi everyone, and welcome to the Minecraft tutorial. Today we are going to look at taming and riding animals. So as you can see, I am already in Minecraft. I'm going to press play, and I'm going to create a new world. Create new world. I want my world to be named tutorial. You can name it whatever you want. We need to make the default game mode creative and the difficulty peaceful, okay? And lastly, we want the world type to be flat. We're going to click create now. And you're going to see a loading screen. It's going to take a while, but you see I'm in. So your screen should look more or less like mine. Maybe it'll have some different animals, some different things. But it should be flat and yeah. And so you'll notice we have this bar down here that I can kind of click around in, but that's not doing anything. Okay, so we're going to get some stuff in that bar, okay? So we're going to click on these three dots at the end of our bar, and that's going to bring us to this screen, okay? The first thing we're going to get is some carpet. So carpet's going to be in this wall screen, okay? It's all the way down at the bottom. So here's the carpet, okay? You can pick whatever color you want. I personally like the cyan. Going to click the minus now, okay? Now we're going to go to the one below the wall, the sword and helmet. This is called equipment. And we are going to get first a saddle. It's right here, okay? Then we're going to get a carrot on a stick. And that's all we are going to get from this equipment one. But next we're going to go to this one. It's two below, and it's kind of some stone and then some dirt and then a flower. See that one? We're going to go there and get a horse. So we're going to scroll down to the bottom, and the horse is this one right here, okay? And then we're going to get a pig, okay? That's this pink one, it's close to the top, okay? Lastly, we're going to get a llama. It's this one, okay? And the very last thing we're going to get is some wheat. So you can see we're kind of at the top. We're going to click on the wheat, okay? Well, it made a bigger menu. That's because wheat is a drop-down menu. We're going to click on the wheat for real, and that's all we're going to get. We're going to click this little X up, and now world still looks the same as when we left it. So first we are going to spawn a horse, okay? Well, it bucked me. Maybe yours didn't, but mine did. So I'm going to grab the wheat and feed it. Okay? And hey horse, get your face out of my head. And now I'm going to try to mount it again. Don't mount it while holding saddle. It will immediately buck you. So I'm going to try to mount it again. Well, it bucked me again. Again, maybe yours either worked the first time or worked the second time, but mine didn't, so I'm going to feed it even more. It's going to become a big horse. Well, now I'm going to try to get back on. Oh, did you see those hearts float up? That means that it's tamed, okay? Oh, and I got off of it. Well, walk up to it, press ride. Thankfully, this time we don't have to tame it. But with horses, usually you can steer them. So why can't I steer it? Well, that's because, remember those 3 dots we used to get everything we have? We're going to click on those again, but we're getting a different screen. That's because we are going to click on this saddle and put it here, okay? We're going to click the X, and you'll notice now we can drive it around, okay? And finally, we are going, so you can explore with your horse more, okay? Figuring out what it does, but after that, we are going to take this saddle off of it, okay? Now you can't drive it anymore. Well, we're going to get off by double tapping this button in the center of the arrows, okay? Well, I'm off of it. Now I'm going to get a pig and put it down, okay? So, oh no, I heard it. Let's get a different pig. I'm going to grab the saddle, and well, this time, if you click, well, oh no, you know, pigs really don't like me. This time we're going to click saddle. Now we're going to click mount, okay? But even though it has a saddle, I'm not driving it. It's doing what it wants. And if I click here, it's the normal screen. That's because pigs are weird. You have to grab a carrot on a stick, and since they want to eat that carrot, we're going to follow it. Boost them, okay? And that pig's following me too now because it wants to eat the carrot too. So now I'm going to get off. We can't take the saddle off. But it's still following me, but I didn't tame it. Well, it still wants to eat the carrot, so if we do something else, they'll ignore me. See, they're not following me. The last thing we are going to do is put a llama down. I got a baby. I can't ride a baby though, okay? So I'm going to put another one down. It's an adult now, okay? And I'm going to click. Oh no, I put a horse down. Let's see. I'm going to click mount, okay? It didn't like me. Why didn't it like me? Well, let's try another one. This one likes me. Did you see those hearts drift up? Okay, so we're going to click on this. It looks like the horse, except for... What's that? That's not a saddle. That's the carpet. That's why we got carpet earlier. You'll notice now our llama looks fancy. But, oh no, I got off of it. But it'll buck us if we try to move. Or at least it'll ignore us. Well, that's because you can't steer a llama. So you can use some other things like minecarts with wandering traders. Maybe we'll get into that in another episode, but for now we can't steer it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and bye, thanks for watching.